putting my wheel on my truck to take it off.
Why?
Why did I take it off? To paint my hub, as you will see in a moment.
How much does a wheel weigh?
140 kilos.
Do you want us to call you Samuel Samuelson, the world's strongest man, the Icelandic?
I've raised it up too much. Hopefully this will work.
This is Matt, really enjoying his truck, if you know what I mean.
Look at that skill.
Look at that skill when he boots it on.
This is very heavy.
There's laws against things there. Tina's currently got off the choke in the background.